Hey guys, this is Nicole here, creator of the Horse Planner, and I'm so excited that you're here. So, what I want to do today is go over with you some of the different products, and so you guys can get a better idea of how you can use them in your own life. So, grab a seat, come on over, and welcome. Let's get started. Hey there everybody. So I just wanted to show you what it's going to look like when you have printed off your downloaded cash envelope and how you can put it together. Now all you need to do is cut it out. Okay, awesome. So now you'll have it cut out, and what you'll need to do is your envelope will have a line here and also a line here. You're going to fold along both of those lines and fold the little flaps in on each side. So now it looks like this. All you're going to do is fold up the bottom, and we're going to glue this on the sides. So on here and here, we're going to put a little bit of glue. If you want to get really fancy, there's awesome scrapbooking glue that will dry super fast and is designed per paper. But Elmer's glue will also totally work just fine. Pretty much any glue would work. And now you're ready to go, and your cash envelope is ready. Hey there, so I just wanted to show you, here is a finished product of cash envelope you can get at thehorseplanner.com. So cute, and I just want to show you a little bit of a close-up. So on the back, I wrote in, this one is so cute, I made it for beauty. So again, you flip the envelope, so I threw in $10 in here, so you can see that the cash fits very well in there, and then I just pull it up just a little bit so I can put it in my Filofax wallet, and it's still totally secure in there. And then I'll just pop that in my wallet, and when I, need a beauty purchase, some new mascara or whatever, I'm ready to go, and then you just write in your purchase. So enjoy. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of your support and backing of the horse planner. It just means so much to me. And go ahead and use the code YouTube and grab 10% off anything you purchase over at thehorseplanner.com. Okay, bye. Happy trails.